Hello my dear students, this is Akash SD and welcome to the SG Physics classes. Hope so you all are doing really great. So students, in this video we are going to solve the question from the chapter System of Particles and Rotational Motion. Okay, and this question belongs to the topic rolling motion, and this rolling motion is the important for the JEE exam. Okay students, so let's go through the question. So the question is here: a uniform solid cylinder of mass m and radius r rolls along an inclined rough plane of inclination 45 degree. If it starts to roll from rest from the top of the plane, then the linear acceleration of the cylinder axis is how much? So remember here students, one more thing is there, very important thing, the rough plane. Remember that here in our syllabus the kind of rolling motion is there, that is the pure rolling motion. Okay, and whenever the rolling motion is taking place on the inclined surface, friction is needed. In the absence of friction on the inclined surface, the body cannot do the rolling motion. Okay, but in case of horizontal surface, even in the absence of friction also, body will do the rolling motion. Can you remember that here? But here inclined surface is there. Okay, so I am just going to draw here the side view. The one cylinder is there. Okay, this is the cylinder. Now it is going to roll. Now, so what will happen here, students? Here, this is going to roll here in this direction, and it will like this also. Now it will come forward also, and it will rotate also. So what will happen that here? After some time, what will happen? It will come here. Is it? It will come here. So in this situation, what will be there? This cylinder will have water. This cylinder will have some acceleration. Even this used to tell that here, even acceleration of the center of mass also. Okay, so remember that here, students, which kind of cylinder is there? They are telling the solid cylinder. Okay, so he will write that like this. Okay, this height is h and this angle is theta, and this inclined plane is fixed. Okay, and anyhow, what is this? This surface is the rough, and here what is there? Static friction will act. Why static friction will act? I am just telling you, because the particle which is in contact with the ground like this here, this will be always in a momentary rest. That's why always static friction will act when the body is doing the rolling motion. Okay, great. So now let's see very well what is given here. They have given here the inclination theta 45 degree. Now theta 45 degree is given, and it starts from the rest, and they are asking the acceleration. So remember that here in this situation, one formula is there. You have to remember the formula. This acceleration during the rolling motion is given by, see here please, g sine theta by 1 plus k square by r square. Very, very important. Now, when the body will roll and it will reach here, its acceleration is given by what here? This one here. Now, how much here? G sine theta by 1 plus k square by r square. Now, this formula we are going to use this. But now what is this k square by r square? Here this k is called the radius of gyration. How to get the radius of gyration? For the radius of gyration, what will happen that here? The moment of inertia of the body should be always equal to mk square. Okay, and here what is happening? The cylinder is rotating about this axis, passing through the center of mass. Okay, so what will happen that in this situation? What is the moment of inertia of the formula for the solid cylinder? You know very well, it is the half mr square. What is this? This is the half mr square is equal to mq square, just like a similar to the disk. Okay, so from here, if I will calculate the value of k square by r square, how much it is coming here? It is coming here 1 by 2. Okay, even for the disk also, it will come same about the same axis. Okay, after that, I am going to use this formula. Okay, remember that here the formula, very important. So what will happen that here? If I will use the formula here, so here you can write here this acceleration of the center of mass after rolling. We can write here g into sine 45 by 1 plus k square by r square. How much here? 1 by 2. So I will write here 1 plus 1 by 2. After that, what will happen that here? We will simplify this. So we can write here g sine 45 value 1 by root 2. So even I can write here, see, g by root 2 and 1 plus 1 by 2. What is there? 3 by 2. Correct? Then let me write here. It will become here what? G by root 2, and it will become reverse. So what is coming here? It will become here the 2 by 3. Okay, so you can see very well this 2 by root 2, even we can write here this 2 by root 2 will become root 2. So here answer will come here root 2 into g by 3. Okay, this is going to be the acceleration, and here can you see very well which option is matching here? The correct option is here option C. So I hope so students, this question you have understood very well. Keep studying, keep growing.